Alright, so for today's refreshment, I'm going to be explaining how I actually sell gold over this point. Alright, I missed an entry over here. Actually, we can sell here, but I will leave it to you guys to find out the answer. So I will just explain how I entry here. Right, so actually, I'm expecting price to pull back to this engulfing sell zone before it drops. But if we go to H1, as you can see from the left side over here, here we have engulfing sell, isn't it? And then price made confirmations, which is engulf to engulf, engulf, pull back, engulf, and that is why price pull back and then we sell it, isn't it? But if you want to entry earlier, you can go to M15 or M5, right? So along the way, price from engulfing buy, engulfing buy, engulfing buy, isn't it? Right, so here, as you can see here, price from engulfing sell, pull back, right? Pull back, and then you can sell. Okay, it's that simple. Right, so for this part, I will give you guys a hint. Okay, the confirmation was made in M30, right? I hope you guys can see something before it drops. Okay, so it's just that simple. So we will be observing at this point whether the price is going to retrace up to this engulfing sell zone or here. Alright, price already rejected this area, isn't it? Okay, so H1 hasn't made any confirmation yet, but here we have engulf to engulfing fail. So probably there's a chance for gold to go up. So observe tomorrow. Alright, so what current market price will give you. Alright, so it's that simple. Alright, so thank you.